Turbo forwarder over turbo forwarder. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So right now I am with Tyga. We are in his CRV and we're just barely leaving Evergreen Inn restaurant over there because we just got some breakfast. Now what we have going on today, today is gonna be a little chillax type of day again. We're gonna be heading north right now to go pick up a part from a friend of mine, and it's for Tyga's CRV. It's telling us to get off the freeway and then get back on the freeway. Car accident. Damn, he blocked us right when we got here, dude. This mother. Dude. Are you serious? He probably just moved all the cars from the left shoulder to the right. This car right here is fucked up. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 3-car collision. Ooh, got some fancy ass tires chilling out here. Look at that. Yeah, so we're back home and Tyga picked up a CRV wing right here. Looks sick, right? Yeah, I got this for a great deal and ton of barbecue. Oh, we finna get our grub on, bro. Yee. Alright guys, so this is my cousin's car. You guys probably seen it a lot of videos ago. It has my CSS bottom end 81.5 mil SuperTech piston eagle rods, stock Type R head with Type R cams. It has a Love Fab mini ram with a GTX 35R and a Tile 38 mil wastegate. So this car turns on, it runs. We already heat cycled it, and the ball fly. The ball fly. You gotta throw it so it can fly. Throw it, mommy. Hurry, throw it, mommy. Hurry, hurry. Oh. So anyways, this car already been through 2 heat cycle. It just needs to be drained out, put the new oil in, new spark plugs. So the last piece to the puzzle is this right here. So all we got to do now is get this installed into the car, eliminate the stock harness itself, and this car should be ready for the dyno. So what I got to figure out is this guy right here, because his car has an OBD2 alternator and this is OBD0, OBD1. And I believe this might be the resistor block off plug or whatever, and we need to wire a resistor box because of his injectors. So these are the only 2 we got to figure out right here, but aside from these 2, this should be 100% plug and play. And this right here is the sub harness for this engine harness for this car specifically. This green plug right there goes to that green plug all the way over there. Andale! Hurry, hurry! All 20 of you guys, hurry! Hurry! Go! To the 4-man. Go, go, go! That's the pin number you and Kelly got to do. Go, go! Hurry, hurry, hurry! Hurry! Hey, Dylon, go! No, Dylon's still trying to shoot me with the water gun. Yeah, look at it. Right now. Hey, no camper. Water hose. This dude's got a little squirt gun right there. He's pooping. He's pooping. It's like a hit in the face. It's a sleeve affair. Look at this guy.
You even wear a shirt?
I know, you're wearing a shirt.
You already wearing a shirt. What you mean?
Hey bro, you need it in your armpit.
Hell no, I'm good off that, bro.
So
why the fuck do you wear a shirt then?
Okay, so I got the pinouts for this plug for the alternator to the OBD2. Got it right here, and we'll wire it accordingly once we pull the other engine harness out, because I need the plug from the one that's on the car now. And the resistor wires for all the injectors, 1, 2, where's the other 2 at? Right here, 3 and 4 right here. The resistor wires that comes off, I believe, this end, left side right here on the plug. I traced all 4 of them back to this plug right here, which is written out right there. And these 4 right here are going to be removed from this orange plug, and they're going to be wired individually to the resistor box. And then that single wire from the resistor box that is, I believe, red or black, it's going to go back into this plug to get its power source. And then we have to use this block off right here to join them all back together. We'll kind of talk more about it once we get to actually doing it.
What, here's the problem here?
Okay, come stand around the table. Happy birthday to you. Me. Happy birthday to you. Her. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! So this is how the harness looks before. We're taking everything apart. We got all these crazy jumpers and stuff right here. Big old mess down here. Big old bundle of wires back here. Hopefully the wire harness is going to clean this up really nicely and you know, eliminate the shortage in the harness if there was one. And this car turns on today. What the hell is this, dude? It's the ugliest thing I've ever seen in my entire life, bro. See what happens when you work at Tesla and shit? You start lubing your car up like it's a Tesla, but it's not even a Tesla, bro. It's a Civic with problems.
The 3-blow motor?
Shit! You better chill, bro. Hey, hey. Chill.
That's just straight. That's
Just look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference. This is going to clean up the engine bay a lot with it being as slim as that is, and the fact that it's designed for a tuck look. Alternator converted to OBD2, and right now I'm currently working on the resistor box. But I don't think we can get this car to turn on tonight because I don't have a charge harness for alternator to fuse box. Again, Smigo, grow your slender ass arms up there, bro. Yeet.
I got it.
But these guys, they still going over here. Look at this.
That's where you'll find everything.
Jeez. You guys killed the old bucket already?
I know you're working.
No, she's like 1, 2, 3. That way. Alright.
Craziest thing, guys. So, got the engine harness installed, right? And got everything ran. And I finished the jumper for the resistor box. Now I can't show you guys this because my phone is dead. And I don't have a flashlight. Ouch. It's kind of dark here, guys. But the harness has this little orange connector right here. And you can see the shiny of the pins right there. I lost the jumper that's supposed to go on here. That powers all of the wires where it needs to. And I can't hook up the resistor box, so that means injectors are improperly powered and it could fry a lot of things. So I can't turn the car on without it. So guys, I made a jumper for the little orange box right there, right? Because I can't find it anywhere. Got 10 people on board to look for it. Cannot find it anywhere at all. So I did that. I probed it and everything, make sure everything was making its connection like it should, right? Got everything all hooked up over here, and the battery's dead. So Not sure how long that's gonna take to charge. It is 11:47 right now. Not sure what's gonna ensue the rest of the night. If it can fire it, I'll show you guys. If not, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Wow! Where'd that come from? Where'd that come from? Seriously?
Right here, bro.
Guys, so crazy shit. I said once I make that jumper, the other jumper was gonna show up. So I made the other jumper, right, and then the battery was dead. So it was funny. We were just hanging out over there, letting the battery charge, and then I came back. I found a piece of the jumper sitting right here, right? And I'm like, yo, where did that come from? Right? And my cousin found it on the floor. And then we looked on the floor. We found the second jumper. The second jumper. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the second jumper. You guys see that right there? You see how there's one that's 4 and then one that's 3. So we found the jumpers after I already made one with all the paper clips. And then my cousin just turned the car on right now. And then he was like, you know, I'm gonna get my flashlight real quick. And he went to go look around. Over there, he found the actual housing to those jumpers. Stupid dumb. Didn't I tell you guys when I sat down, I was like, I bet you guys this shit's gonna show up. Yeah. Next thing you know, it's
after we started the car. You said it too.
Oh, we started the car and it turned on, guys. Yo, that's, bro, I'm telling you guys, the car is on and everything seems to be really good. We just gotta swap out these spark plugs right here, 1, 2, 3, because this one is new. His brother Alan took it for his car, so put one new one in here. Gotta change these 3, cycle the oil one more time, probably not tonight, and then throw on the new oil, get this car back on the floor, and we're gonna have to contact Jeremy real soon because we got 2 cars to tune, right, Paco? Hopefully, because we're gonna turn his shit up and we're gonna try to crank his shit up as well too. FYI, guys, my P.O. box address is always in the description below. I know a lot of people were sending me screenshots of the P.O. box address on the envelope of the unpackaging of other mails. I just renewed it today, so we're good for another 6 months. Today we have 2 right here, and I'm gonna open this one first because I follow this YouTube channel right here. This channel right here is called BARBAS Life. Check it out right there. And I followed this car a while ago. I believe he was using Rust-Oleum. I was definitely interested in seeing the result, and I must say his results came out freaking awesome. So I appreciate you taking the time to send this out, bro. Let's open it right now and see what's inside. Oh wow. Yo, fishing lures. That is awesome. I know I spoke about going on fishing trip with Joe. That's gonna come real soon, guys. These last 2 weeks now I haven't gone because I had other things planned, and hopefully me and Joe can catch some fish here soon. So it says right here, what's up, Young Static? I've been a subscriber since the N1 exhaust on the 4-door EF 11-12 years ago. Wow. I'll put a link right here on the top, or over here at my nose, or whichever side it goes on. But that is a super old video, and it says, you inspired me to start my own channel. I sent you some fishing lures. Hope you enjoy them. Keep up the great content. Peace out, Barbas. P.S. Don't forget to shout me out on your channel. If you guys send me mails like this, you are definitely gonna get shout out on all of your social media if I can find all of them. So I appreciate these lures. Check out his channel, Barbas Life, right here in the description below. This one right here came from the House of Honda. It's really thin. I'm pretty sure these are some decals, and I'm curious to see what's inside of it since it is from the House of Hondas, right? Look at this little itty bitty itty bitty note right here. So it says, thank you for reserving a room at the House of Honda. Glad to have you in our family. This is a really sick sticker. I love the slick on it, and it says literally the House of Honda. Be sure to check out the House of Honda right here, and also in the description below on Instagram. And also there's another one, the Mugen Militia. Be sure to check out that, and paddleshift.photos. Thank you to the House of Honda for sending these stickers out. I appreciate you guys' time to send out things like this. You already know if it's a sticker, it's going on the toolbox. So let's go. This one right here, perfect right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This one is a little bit of a bigger sticker, but I got a perfect spot for it. Right there. The House of Hondas. Ooh. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I hope you guys are excited to see my cousin's car back up on the dyno. We are scheduling very soon, and we're actually gonna have 2 cars this time. One of them is not gonna be mine, but just know that a sleeve block is on its way, so she will be back real soon, guys. So be sure to hit the like button if you guys did enjoy it for sure, and if you guys want to stick around for everything else to come, the wagon, the CRX, the EJ2 paint, be sure to hit the subscribe button. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.